Hey guys, how's it going? So, Asia Broadband came out with some news today according for the annual gross profit of 16.8 million, affirming mining operation development success. Asia Broadband is pleased to announce the company has finalized the financial results for the year ending December 31st, 2020 and has achieved all-time high annual gross profit of 16.8 million. The company recently received its final 2020 year-end adjusted gold and silver sale revenues and will be publishing the annual report in the coming weeks. The accomplishment of the financial milestone attests to the company's success in mining operation established in 2020. AABB strategic growth strategy has allowed the company to capitalize on unique ability to vertically integrate mineral resources in Mexico with a high resource demand and abundant investment capital in Asia. So, yeah, actually, why am I reading this? Now that I think about it, I don't need to read this. You guys can read this. You guys probably don't want to listen to my voice anyways when it comes to reading out stuff. But, you know, this 16.8 million is pretty damn good in my opinion, because if we look at the last earnings report, their gross profit was $6.77 million and the net income was about $5.355 million. Gross profit was 6.77, so that means that their revenue year over year more than doubled. They grew like over 100% in total revenue, and their gross profit grew, and then the net profit is probably going to be sitting around $10 million after all the expenses. This company seems fantastic on a balance sheet perspective, and according to this, the last quarter report, they had about $8.755 million of cash. That should increase to $18 million. They have very little liabilities. They have a lot of assets. How do you go wrong investing into this company for the long term? I mean, short term it could drop, but long term it feels like such a solid company, and I can't wait for them to post out the annual report. And then as soon as they release the annual report, their quarter report shouldn't be too far away, simply because they are right now we're in the first quarter, and it's almost over. I mean, by the end of March it should be over. And then the AAB wallet is, you know, as of March 22nd, they had about almost 7,000 downloads, or 6,600, almost 7,000 downloads. I'm assuming that is way over 7,000. We're probably sitting closer to 10,000 right now, because that was updated 2 days on March 22nd. Right now we are on March 24th. So they are growing in users, hopefully, and I'm hoping that in the future, like a year down the road, they'll have over 1 million downloads, and the AABG token is worth a lot more than what it is right now. That's what I'm hoping. I don't know, but I'm hoping that's going to be the scenario. The AAB stock, I added on to my position. I don't know if, like, yesterday I added on, today I added on a little bit more. I hope I didn't make a mistake, because, you know, there's a chance that this thing could just plummet all the way back down to like 16 cents and I could egg hold a big loss, but that's alright. I don't mind bag holding a big loss as long as I have strong conviction in my investment. And AABB, I feel like it's such a solid company. I don't know what investors are going to do at the end of the day, they could dump this thing back to 15 cents, which would create huge buying opportunities. I don't know at the end of the day what investors are going to do, but I still like this company for the long term, and I feel like if we let, you know, the lower the stock price goes, the more it'll attract investors. You know, that's, at least I hope it does. Maybe investors are attracted by the price going up and not going down. I don't know at the end of the day the psychology of human investing, but the lower price goes, the more, you know, the more attractive it looks to me. Because let's be honest, the company's not going bankrupt. They're not going anywhere. They're just going to grow and grow and grow in Bitcoin and in mining. So more and more people will eventually go and buy their coin, because maybe people like the fact that their coin is backed up by gold, and hopefully over time their coin is worth more. Like, if we look at Bitcoin 5 years ago, you could have bought Bitcoin at, you know, under $1,000, $500 to $1,000, and now it's worth $56,000. So could AABB be worth $1,000 one day or $2,000 one day? Well, it could. It all depends on investors. If Bitcoin keeps going up, people, all the cryptocurrency will keep going up, and it'll be driven by demand. So some people are saying Bitcoin will go to, you know, $100,000 eventually. And if that is the scenario, I think AABB will go up higher too, especially once they are allowed to trade on other, like, as a world currency and not just in their own wallet. Right now you can only buy it in their own wallet, but eventually they're going to release it to the world, and then all the people who own the coin will be able to transfer it to the other wallets, and then they'll be able to trade with other people, and that could increase the value of their coin, and that could even attract more investors, more crypto investors into their wallet, which will increase the amount of users in the wallet, which will increase their revenue, increase the profit. This company is going, I feel like this company is going to be a giant, in my opinion. So, you know, if you got this at a penny, I wouldn't sell this. I mean, I would hold on to it, but hey, that is my opinion, not financial advice. I mean, I wish I found this company when it was at a penny or below a penny. I would have been so happy, but I didn't. I found out about this stock up here. So, and I bought a very little bit amount, and then it dropped, and then I just kept, and then it dropped to 22 cents. I bought some more, and then I was waiting to see what was going on, and then I was waiting for them to release their wallet, and they released their wallet, and then I bought in at around 30 cents, and I left it alone when it was running up, but now that it dropped back down, I'm adding on to my position. So, you know, I don't know, like I said, it seems like a very solid company. I don't know what, you know, I don't know what investors are going to do, but I want to hold this long term, and if this thing drops back down to 16 cents, I'm buying more. So that's my plan moving forward. I don't know about you guys. Anyways, yeah, so that's all I really have to say. You know, remember TSNP, this stock was a sub-penny stock at 1.2, and then I think it ran all the way up to like $2, and then it had a reverse split, and it went all the way up to almost $7, and then the stock kind of crashed, and now it's like sitting at like, you know, $4. So people could have called this a shady company, but you know, it's not. So Does it even have financials? I should really look at this. No, I actually don't. I don't even know anything about Humble, to be honest, but I should really look into it. So maybe I'll do a video on Humble because it seems to be very popular. Like, I have done zero research on it. I've just looked at the ticker, so I have no idea what they actually do. SOS Limited is down 37 cents right now, 5.63%, 5.5. I don't like this company, but the lower it goes, the better. You know, it could be a good swing trade. I don't know at the end of the day what investors are gonna do. High Tide right now had a mini low crash, but someone bought that up. Yeah, I got not too much to say. Anyways, that is all for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.